I'm Lionel Eberle and I'm born in a beautiful countryside of France. I have the chance in my career to work for some of the best chefs in the world. I create amazing recipes that I would like to share with you. I now live in the city of San Francisco, and one more time, it's all about the sauces. Hi guys, this is Chef Lionel from ChefLionel.com, and tonight is Fiesta Night. Some of my friends coming over, so it's the perfect opportunity for me to show you how to make a guacamole and salsa using my favorite tool, the Vitamix. I'm also gonna fry some fresh tortilla chips, so I hope you guys are hungry and ready for party. It's important to choose wisely your produce, fresher is the better, and for full recipe, please visit ChefLionel.com. I'm gonna start by cutting a jalapeno in half and de-seed it. If you like spicy, you can keep a little more seeds in it. If you don't like spicy, take all the seeds off. I'm gonna cut it on big pieces. I'm gonna also take the cork out of the tomatoes and cut it on small quarters. And I'm gonna de-pint an avocado. Take it off the shell, and I'm gonna keep the shell for decoration for later on. And just cut it on big pieces as well. I'm gonna also grossly chop an onion, cut in half a lemon and a lime. All my vegetables are now ready and cut. It's time for me to start to process all those into the Vitamix. I'm gonna start with the salsa, and the first things I'm gonna put inside is the onions. Now I'm gonna pulse it a few times on position 5. And now it's time for me to put the jalapenos, the tomatoes, a little bit of the fresh cilantro. You favor hot sauce, I like tapatios, a little bit of vinegar, a little bit of salt, a fresh squeeze of lemon juice. Beautiful. Now I'm gonna secure the lid very well and put the Vitamix on position 4. I'm gonna pulse about 5 times until I have a nice chunky salsa. And it's ready now. I can start to making my guacamole. I put a little bit of jalapeno and onions and pulse a few times as well. Once that's done, I'm gonna put the equivalent of a half tomatoes on quarters, a little bit of lime juice and lemon juice, a little bit of salt, pepper, a spoon of sour cream, and the equivalent of 2 avocados, a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. Now I'm gonna pulse it about 5 times, and it's ready. Look at that. And if you don't use everything the same day, you can keep it in the refrigerator for a few days as long as you put the seeds in. The seeds will stop the oxidation to happen, so it keeps the guacamole nice and green. I'm also gonna put a film on the top of it, nice and tight, so it's no oxygen in between, and that will keep my guacamole nice and green for a few days. Now it's time to cut my chips. So I have here fresh tortillas. I cut them on quarters. Prepare already my spider and also a paper to receiving the tortillas once they're fried, and start to fry them. My oil is at fried temperature between 350 and 375, and now I can take them out and retract it. So it's very important to have everything ready. I'm gonna do the same things with the jalapenos and put a little bit of salt in it. It's time now to put it together. I'm gonna start with a bed of white cabbage, and I kept from earlier 2 of the avocado shell. I'm gonna fill one of those avocado shells with the salsa. And the other one with the guacamole. Put a little bit of cilantro for the freshness, a half lime, my chips on the side, and the 2 jalapeno that I fried earlier. And voila! This is Chef Lionel. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, keep on cooking and don't forget to subscribe right below.